So, dikdikan na naman ang laban. 11 all. As we expected. Zapanta finding a hole. Uy, buhay pa ang bola.
Masangkay saving that.
And it's Soriano with the off-speed. Great coverage for UE. Who are matching Adamson here toe-to-toe. That one is out.
No touch from the block. A clean hit. And that went straight to the outside.
UE ahead here. 12 serving 11. You know, UE.
Ooh, close. Very close.
Unang laban nila. Ay, hindi. Yung laban nila against Ateneo. Remember, they pushed Ateneo also in that first set. 26-24.
That's true. Then nawala na lang ng gana pagkatapos.
Sign of things for them under Coach Boy Anestal. 12 all. May makatulong. Serving for Adamson University. Rosale trying the power tip. She's not been the go-to person for UE this year. It's been Brida and Bulan. Zapanta sends it over.
Off the block by Rosale.
Rosale, when I look at her, she I think gained some weight.
She did. I mentioned that the last time, and it has affected her game. But she has played a role here for UE. Iba na yung role niya, and I don't know if it has anything to do with her fitness or it's Coach Boy's system. But just imagine if she can get back her fitness with this team. They're gonna give a few teams, problems here. Especially yung mga teams na hindi katangkaran. Yan naman katulad ng yung mga Lasal na medyo na alam naman natin na they can beat you so many ways, obviously. But if UE goes up against, the NUs, obviously the USTs, the Adamsons, mahihirapan nila.
That's true.
Makakasungkit pa siguro ng panalo.
That's true. And they just did that against NU. And now they're up against Adamson. In fact, they have the lead here in the first set.
Right, 14 serving 13. Now it's tied. As Kinlog and Guevara combine for that block.
Very tall center blocker for Adamson and Guevara. Great coverage.
Successful block by Guevara.
Great read on the offense of UE.
Zapanta with the serve.
Masangkay back set to Jimberly off the net.
No touch from the block.
It's off the net. Pineda rin, slimmed down from last year.
Yeah, that's true.
Not that she was, overweight last year, but parang nag-improve pa lalo.
Look at how Pineda rocks. Elbows over the net. Taas.
She reminds me a little bit of Benting in terms of her leap. Wala pa yung attacking style, but her leap though. 16-14, lamang ang Adamson.
Hey Luisa, so that was obviously a very close game against UST last time. Ano yung ginawa niyong iba para ma-pull out niyo yung victory na yun in 5 sets?
Nagkapit lang kami. Tapos yung sa depensa namin, hindi namin pinakawalan lalo na yung mga palo nila Ortiz na tumicheck ball. Tapos coverage kasi malalaki sila. So kailangan namin mag-focus sa coverage namin.
Alright, thank you very much. That was Luisa Zapanta of the Adamson Lady Falcons.
Thank you, Victor. Dabawenya.
Well,
Mayet Zapanta.
Interesting what Zapanta said. The key to their victory was that pati yung pa-check ball na palo ng UST hinahabol nila. So that just means that they're defending not only inbounds, yung loob ng court, but also the outside because they consider part of the offense of the other teams is yung pa-check ball. So that's hard work for them, but they accept that that's how the game is played right now, and they have made the adjustment. So ganun kasipag tong Adamson dumepensa. Pati yung outside, basta tumama sa kamay, hahabulin nila.
Well, again, kahit na anong material ni Coach Dulce Pante, depensa na yan, yung floor, lalo na yung floor. And they've never had, at least in the last 3 or 4 years, Ian, that we've been covering, si Pao Soriano na yung pinakamatangkad na nakita nating player nila.
Ito.
Diba?
Ito, that's true.
And so they haven't had the material to become great blockers. So yung kanilang floor defense talagang bumubuhay sa kanila. And then they've had athletic attackers in Benting.
Yes.
Dati, si Semana, nandiyan pa dati. Kanilang center. Pakinggan muna natin ang UE.
Yun ang targetin mo. Tama yung ginagawa mo. Tinatarget mo lang ibabaw. Huwag tayo magdiin ng bola. Okay? Kapag ang bola natin, pinaabot natin hanggang dito, dipensado nila yan eh. Uulitin natin, di ba? Sabi nga ni Coach George, eto, tatargetin natin, tapos eto. Okay? Kung di natin kaya ilabas yung bola, dito natin sila papatayin sa side na to eh. Check ball palabas atin. Check ball palabas atin. Hindi papunta rito. Yan. Pilitin mo di na yung spider mo.
What'd you take from that timeout?
Well, great timeout because it was very specific, very clear. All they want is to remind the girls that they have practiced and they have set target zones for them to place the attack. So, wag lang kalimutan yun because tanggap nila pagka tinapon mo lang ng madali going to the different corners, siguradong masasalo eh. Hindi depensa ng Adamson. So, you wanna target the middle. Number 1. Number 2 is hit it off the block. Or if you have a clear lane down the line, you can also choose that as an option. So, very clearly the offense of UE adjusting to the tight defense of Adamson.
That's a great combination play by Sheila Pineda, but just a little wide again on the attack. Oh, pero yun, mataas talaga.
Tingin ko mataas pa ito tumalon sa akin. Sheila Pineda.
Lalo na ngayon siguro.
Ay, sigurado. Hindi siguro. Sigurado. Baka pati sa'yo din.
Oh, siguro. Hindi na nga ako sasali sa usapan dyan. Oh, Pineda saving that one. Oh, and a point again for UE, who have tightened up this match. 17 serving 18.
Nice timeout. Down by 2.
Oo nga.
By 3, I mean. Now you're only down by 1. Zapanta had her eyes on the ball all of the time, but she thought someone else was going to pick it up. Nice serve.
That's the third touch. So it's a free ball. Cross court. Zapanta takes it. Pineda again.
Nice set.
Nebrida. Long.
Well, Nebrida likes it a bit further away from the net. So that one was a bit close. She had no room to work with.
19 serving 17 now. This is Guevara. Oh, aided by the net.
There you go.
Check ball.
Better set for Nebrida. Better distance from the net.
Gamit na gamit itong si Nebrida kay Coach Boy, ano?
Look at that form, see?
Shiza Nebrida. Produkto rin ng UE High School. As Makatuno goes to Pineda. Miscommunication there. Rosale. That's Bulan. That's out.
No touch from the block. It hit the net. Going outside.
20 serving 18 now. From the Rizal Technology University. Originally Sheila Pineda. Bulan again. Great reactionary dig by Pineda.
Wow, I thought that ball was already...
Hit?
Yeah, it hit the floor.
Zapanta. Nebrida. Masangkay. Back to Bulan. Mababa. Galit si Coach Boy.
Yeah, Bulan had was so indecisive in her approach.
Isa pa yan, ha? Coach Idok, napakaliit din yan si Bulan. Pero,
that's true.
Ito mo naman, ang height niya compared to, let's say, si Rosale or si Jimberly.
And Coach Boy Dalisan is...
Naangal ba niya yung kay Pineda kanina?
Because the linesman already pointed the flag down. So
yun ang masakit niyan dahil dalawang sunod na puntos.
That's true. And our referees failed to see that, but nevertheless, ball was in play. So
mabigat
you gotta live with that.
Oh, two-point swing, ano? Pineda with a great serve. Bulan, free ball for Adamson. Makatuno goes wide to Zapanta. Oy, naharangan. Box out.
Napanggaling. Box out.
Mali nga lang yung sport. Pakinggan muna natin si Coach Boy. This is not going to be pretty because he's still complaining about the fact that the line judge
already pointed that it was a dead ball.
Sana kung laki ng
Tumingis na nga yung line coach.
Tumingis na nga yung line coach.
Sabi, we can hear.
Di ba, hinga lang, hinga malalim.
Hey!
Sige, come on, let's go. Hindi ka layuan yung score sa atin yan. Ilan laban yan? 5. Lima. O, sige. Come on, let's go.
Let's go, guys!
A timeout, obviously, to halt momentum of Adamson and to give an earful
Yeah.
to our referees. Ito yung kaninang miscommunication ni Masangkay at ni Dizon.
That's right. Two things I see wrong about that replay. Number one, it's the wrong sport. Number two, it's her own teammate that she boxed out.
Oh! Katinginan!
Service is there.
Mabigat yung kanina na yun dahil mula noon hindi pa nakascoring yung Kaya galit na galit si Coach Boy. Sabi nga niya, narinig nyo, sabi niya, buti sana kung tambak kami.
Oo,
Dahil
di kita
yung laban.
1 point difference.
Bulan. Naibalik. Set point tayo dito. An easy take for Zapanta. Back set to Soriano and she puts it away. And that first set goes to the Lady Falcons. Coach Boy is livid at the sideline, not at that point, but at the turn of events a while ago.
That's right. But Soriano with a great kill to end that first set.
Ang ganda no set din ni Makatuloy. 25-18. Back in a moment.